was looking like a fool when I met you. All covered.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder. Now I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, well, I'm pretty sure you had it and you sold it. Yes, you guys, that is correct. I did have the 6-ring key holder and it was in the Monogram and it had the pivot. It was like the fuchsia interior, and I actually sold it because I was using a different key holder, and I have to be honest, I miss it so much, you guys. I miss it so much. It was such a good piece that I thought, you know what, I need to get another one. So this is kind of an unboxing. I'm going to show you the key holder and I'm going to kind of tell you what I liked about it. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see me unbox this new Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, then keep watching. Hey guys, so like I said, we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to get right into the unboxing, but as you know, I did do a recent video where I sold a bunch of my items, and I did sell that key holder because I was using another Louis Vuitton key pouch, and after I sold it, I thought, oh my gosh, you guys, I really liked it. It was such a good key holder. Even though I like the one I'm using now, I just really wanted to get another one. So I did get in a different style. So as you know, when you buy Louis Vuitton items, it comes really nicely packaged for you. It comes with the receipt right here, so I always hold on to that. And like I said, I mentioned this in every single one of my videos, I would recommend holding on to the boxes, the receipts, all that jazz, so that when it does come time to resell the items, you will have everything. So let's do a quick little unboxing. It comes in this cute little bag right here, and there's actually another little pouch too, so 2 pouches. I don't remember 2 pouches the first time. So let's see. Oh, you get a little, I got a little sample, a little perfume sample. So that's really cute. This is Afternoon Swim. I didn't even know Louis Vuitton made perfume. Okay, so let's put that to the side and let's get into the key holder. So the one that I picked up today is this little guy right here. It is the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder in the Damier Ebene, and then I got the rose ballerine. I love the rose ballerine interior. It is just a beautiful light pink, and on camera it's not even going to do it justice. Let me tell you the one downfall though with this key holder. You have to be very careful of the button. I found it on the key holders, and I've also found it on the wallets. If you get this type of button right here and it's not the metal, I found that because of the oils from your fingers, it tends to come off a little bit. I'm pretty sure if you go into the Louis Vuitton store, they can replace it for you. I'm not 100% positive, but I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't, considering you pay so much for the items. But the key holder, I have always said, I think is one of the best investments. It's one of Louis Vuitton's best SLGs or small leather goods. If I could recommend a Louis Vuitton item for someone to buy, it would definitely be the key holder, either this one or the other one that I have, the little key pouch. I love that one so much. So let me show you what this looks like. Again, this is the front. This is a Damier Ebene, and then here is the back right here. Again, it has the little rose ballerine button. Okay, you open it up and look how beautiful that is. It's just a beautiful light pink. Like I said, the camera's not going to do it justice. You can get these 6 key rings right here, or you can also, it also comes in 4, but I have quite a few keys, so I wanted to get the 6. And then another thing, it does have this little pocket right here. The only bad thing about this pocket, and this is where I feel they could have improved a little bit. They would have made one side closed, so then that way if you want to put your ID or a credit card, you don't have to really worry about it falling out as much. The only bad thing here is, as you can see, my finger goes all the way through, so I would worry about having my ID in here. However, if you are running someplace really quickly, I don't see the problem with just putting your ID in there really quick, but I don't think it's someplace that you want to keep it all the time, just in the event that it could fall out. Same with a credit card. But this is just such a cute little pouch. Like I said, I did sell it, and after I sold it, it wasn't until it was gone. What do they say? Absence makes the heart grow fonder, and boy, did that happen. So even though I was in love with my current Louis Vuitton key pouch, I just miss this one so much, so I definitely wanted to invest and get another one. So I used the money from when I sold it and I put it towards this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my keys on it so you can see what it would look like. Okay, so before I put the keys on it, I want to show you what I currently have my keys on. It's this Louis Vuitton little key pouch right here. I love this so much. And let me tell you the difference. And actually, if you want, I can do a future video reviewing these two, and I could break it down from the size to everything about it. If you want to see that, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do that. Find that videos like that are really helpful, especially if you're on the fence. This one is a lot more expensive. This one retails for more about $400, and then this one is around $250. So you're definitely going to get this one at more of an affordable price. But this is the one I have now. All of my keys on it, and it has a little pouch right here, and then in the back it has a zip part, and the zip part is what I've been loving because that's where I keep my credit cards and my license. So like I said, I just wanted to show you what I have currently. So now let me go ahead and put the keys on my current key holder so you can kind of see what fits and what it looks like. Okay guys, I have all of my keys on it, so let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, it closes really nicely, so I open it. So one thing I would recommend, if you're like me and you have a big key fob like this, I would recommend putting it in the center, so then that way it can close a lot easier. So I have my key fob right here. This is my mailbox key. Then this is my P.O. box key. And then this is my house key. So I only have 4 keys. I do have a couple more keys that I am going to put on it, but you can see these keys fit very comfortably. And then obviously I close it right here. And it is just so cute. I love it. It just keeps everything organized. You know how when you throw your keys down, it just kind of looks a mess? This is just a way to kind of help to keep your purse a little more organized. I love this so much. It's so good, you guys. And don't get me wrong, like I said, this was really good too, and I loved it for a lot of different reasons. So if you want me to do like a comparison video on these two, I definitely can. I have a lot of experience with both of them. Like I said, before I even got this one, I did have the other one in the Monogram, so I have experience with that, and I also have experience with this. I can go into wear and tear. I can go into which one I like better. Let me know if you want to see that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got. This was going to be a quick little video. I'll be sure to link this down below in case you're interested. Like I said, this is one of the SLGs that I would truly recommend if you just want to invest in something from Louis Vuitton, but you don't want to break the bank. Don't get me wrong, it's all relative. This is still an expensive piece, but it's not quite as expensive compared to others, but it's so good, you guys. So good. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you have any questions at all about this or anything else, or you guys, if there's anything else you want to see, like you want to see the comparison video, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do that. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Today is Friday. I hope you get to do something fun, and I hope you guys have a good Mother's Day as well. Sunday is Mother's Day, so I'm very, very excited to spend time with my mom, as well as spending time with my little one as well. Have a good day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya.